is my sample outfit for today. My crop top, guys. I buy this for only 50 pesos. I really love it, guys. Pack na pack. And siya. Because I really love fashion. Ayan, ang ganda niya, guys. Ang ganda niya. Ayan. My backside. Ay, nag-shape na nga po yung aking likod, guys. Only my tummy. Only my tummy yung aking problem, guys. Ayan, only my tummy. As you can see, guys, my back is shaping now. My back is shaping already. So, only my tummy. Only me, guys. Look, I really love it. I really love my simple outfit for today. My pambahay outfit. Ayan, for only 50 pesos. Ayan, guys. My simple fashion. My simple fashion for today. And this one, guys, my ponytail. I buy this for only 30 pesos. I really love it. Ayan. Diba, guys? This is my simple fashion. This is my fashion, guys. I love ponytails. I love headbands. I love dresses. Ayan. And I love crop tops. I love also bikinis, guys. And swimsuits. That are my fashion, guys. Ayan. Yan yung aking mga fashion, guys. So, ayan, ang ganda. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys, oh. Yung ating likuran. Yeah. I'm doing my daily routine, guys. This one, I'm doing exercises every day to shape my body. Ayan, to shape my back, guys. Like this. Like this. Ayan, only my stomach, guys. Only my stomach. I work out now, only my stomach. Ayan, this one I'm doing every day also to bigger my legs and to bigger my butt. Yeah, this is my daily routine. Oh my God. I'm doing squat every day like this. Like this, guys. My daily routine. My daily exercises. Ayan. Oh my God. Ayan. Ayan. So, this is it. This is it, my daily routine. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Medyo sumakit yung akong tuhod, guys. Ayan. So, ayan po. Look. My body is shaping now. Ayan, guys, yung aking likurano, diba? Ang ganda. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. Ayan. And yes, I'm so happy. Ayan. So, that's it for today, guys. My daily exercises. Ayan po. I'm so happy of my top because it's very cheap, guys. For only 50 pesos. I really love it. Ayan. So, that's it today. Bye.